Hello everyone, this is Ashok. In this video, I'll be talking about Lab 1, and that is Project Time Management from course CS 591. I'll be briefly explaining you how you can complete your lab first. So before that, you need to go to this website. Then you need to scroll down. So in this section, you can find all the necessary documents that you would need to complete your lab first. So for each student with their respective ID, they have been given a personalized assignment. So you need to click here and download it. Along with that, you can see over here there is a lab manual for this. Once you download it, so this will be your lab manual. You have to go through all those to-do lists to complete the lab first. So once you download your variant, it will look something like this. So I'll be working with lab variant 0 to show you like how you can go through this lab first. So you need to follow along this lab manual, and there's like step by step all the activities like you need to do to complete this. So let's start. So first we need to start the application. So for that you need to go to left hand side corner, down corner, there is a start button. You need to click it and then type in project. So here you can see there is like project 2016 pops out. You need to click on that. So once you click, the application will start, and there are like different themes, but you need to click the blank project. Okay, let me keep this aside so you can follow along. All right, so next we have to go for a talk sheet view. So here over here you can see it is Gantt chart view. So go to the talk sheet view, we have to click over here on Gantt chart, and you can see there are a list of different views. From here you have to select the talk sheet view, click on talk sheet. Okay, so now this is our talk sheet view. So this was one way around. The other way around to go for a talk sheet is you have to click on view. Once you click on view, there is again you have to go to for the Gantt chart, then click for more views. So once you click more views, there you can see there are like list of different views. From here you need to select the talk sheet view, click on it, and then hit apply. Okay, so that was the other way where how you could go for a talk sheet. So next we have to enter the project title. So to enter the project title, you have to click on file. Here you can see the project information, right? So you need to click on project information and click on advanced properties. So once you click on advanced properties, you can see this menu pops out, and over here you have to write your project title. Let's say for me is SPM variant 0. So once you are done with writing your title, you can click OK. Next, we have to go for auto schedule. So every task that you create is manually scheduled by default. So we need to go for auto schedule. For that, you need to click on option. So over here you need to select the schedule. From here you can see there is this new task created, right? And you have to click on this drop down menu and click on auto schedule. Once you select it, you can click on OK. So now all the tasks that we are going to create will be auto scheduled. All right. Next, we have to enter the start date of the project. So before doing this, you need to go back to the website over here. So you can see for student 01, the start date given is November 1st. For student 2 is November 1st. For student 7 is November 10th. So make sure that you use your own start date, otherwise you'll be making mistake. So once you get your start date, you need to click on project, then click on project information. So once you click on project information, so you need to either you can type in directly your date 1 and 2, or you can go for the calendar view and you can change your start date. Okay, so after doing that, you need to click OK. Next, we need to insert new column on the task sheet. So for that, we have to click on format, and then over here you need to select the first column, then click on insert column. Over here you can see there are like different names. Over here we need to choose WBS for our project. So there you can see there appears WBS. Now click on this. So now you got this column, it's WBS. Okay, so this was one way to do that. The other way is if you right click over here and click on insert column, and again you can type in WBS, and you will have, and once you select it, you will have your column inserted, which will be WBS. So there are like two ways, you can choose either of one. Okay, so once we have added our WBS column, now we have to create a unique WBS code. So to do that, we need to click on project. So here you can see WBS option. You need to click on the drop down menu, and then you have to click on define code. So over here we need 4 hierarchy of levels. So you need to click on this drop down menu, click on number order. So as you insert one number order, you can see the code preview over here. We need 4, so we'll insert 4, 3, and 4. So here you can see the order is 1.1.1, which you will know like why we are using it in future. So now after you're done with this, click OK. Next, we have to enter a task. So to enter a task, we need to click on the task name. So in your variant, once you download your variant, you can see the first task name is SPM project team 0. So either you can type in, either you can like type directly zero, or the other way is if you double click on this, so this menu appears, and over here the name you can type in project initiation. So once you're done with this, click OK. So this way you have to fill all the task name over from your this table variant 0. Okay, so I'll copy and paste. So once you're done with this, next now we have to indent, we have to create the hierarchy. So for that you need to we have to use the indentation. We need to go to task, click on task. So here you can see the indent button. One is indent in and the other is outdent. So over here you have to make it same as this one over here, the column one. So let's see, we can see SPM project team 0 is 1. Next is project initiation, that is 1.1, right? Next is 1.1.1. So you have to do this for the entire thing, and you make sure that your column 1 and WBS column looks the same. Okay, so next, so here's the thing that you will be like, you will have a trouble. So once if you start indenting, you will see, let me show you example. Let's say project plan. Let's go for this one first. 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you see project plan, it should be 1.2, right? So once you click on indent, it shows 1.7, but it should be 1.2. So what you need to do is we need to renumber it. So to do that, all you need to do is which task you want to select this task that you want to renumber, click on project, click on WBS, then click on renumber, and you have to select entire project and click OK and click yes. So now you see it's 1.2. Okay, next you have to enter so you need to enter now all the duration. So over here you can see in your variant the duration for develop project charter is 5 days. So develop project charter, over here you need to click on duration. Either you can directly type in 5 and hit enter, or you can double click on this, and over here you can see the date duration, make it 7 for the development statement of work. Okay, and you need to click on OK. So you have to do this for the entire thing. So your column 3 duration should match with this duration column. So once you're done with it, your file will look something like this. So after you're done with this, you need to save this file, which will be your 1A. So to save this file, you need to click on file and save as. Click on wherever, choose the location wherever you want to save it, and you have to type in like 01 your code, then your variant, sorry, your student ID, then your variant, then this is for lab 1, so lab 1, and outcome, and it should be you have to go for 1A. This will be your first file, that is 1A, and it should be stored as MPP. So once you're like done with the naming, you have to click save. Since already I have, so I'm not going to save it. So then you have to go back. So this is how you had to complete your first A file. So please follow along my next videos. for the rest of the lab first. Thank you.